Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping into something truly magical. A vintage three-wheel micro-camper that feels like it has been lifted straight from a classic storybook. The exterior immediately captures attention with its beautifully rounded silhouette and rich brown finish. Its retro styling, circular headlamps, and compact three-wheel stance create a timeless presence that stands out effortlessly. It's small in size, yet overflowing with personality. As the wooden door swings open, the atmosphere transforms completely. Inside, you're greeted by a warm, softly illuminated interior crafted with natural wood finishes. The shelving is tastefully arranged with books, plants, and charming decor elements, giving it the feeling of a miniature countryside cottage. The sleeping space is thoughtfully designed to provide comfort without clutter. Every inch has been carefully utilized, blending storage and living space in a seamless and elegant way. It proves that intelligent design can make even the smallest footprint feel open and inviting. Large windows allow gentle daylight to pour in, while the soft evening lighting creates an intimate golden glow. This camper isn't about rushing to destinations. It's about savoring the journey, enjoying peaceful surroundings, and embracing slow living. What truly sets this micro-camper apart is its soul. It feels handcrafted, personal, and deeply comforting. It's not just transportation. It's a tiny sanctuary on wheels, designed for dreamers who appreciate warmth, simplicity, and timeless beauty. If you're drawn to vintage aesthetics and cozy travel experiences, this enchanting three-wheel camper might just be your perfect escape.